They have previously ordered our SymCool power module, and they have now ordered our SymCool IQ, which basically takes a multi-die module with the semiconductor devices in it and adds a localized controller to tell it what to do. And that really opens up some new applications that really want to have localized control of the semiconductor devices.
Welcome back inside our Proactive Newsroom. Joining me now is Dan Brdar. He is the CEO of Ideal Power. And Dan, it's great to have you back again. How are you?
I'm doing just fine, Steve. Good to see you again.
Yeah, coming out with some pretty significant news today, and we'll get to that in just a second, all around your technology and the SymCool. So why don't you remind everyone a little bit about the company and more importantly, this technology?
Sure. What Ideal Power has come up with is a very low loss power semiconductor switch that's used in a whole variety of applications. It's used in renewable energy, circuit protection, electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging, data centers, where you really want to be able to control the flow of energy in either direction, because it's a bidirectional device, with as low as loss as possible, because that means more useful energy. So things like a solar installation get more useful kilowatt hours. Things like electric vehicles get more range out of the battery. So it really helps all of these technologies be more efficient.
And today you've announced a multi-unit order for the SymCool. Tell me, this is a client you've been working with already, correct?
Yeah, this is a company that is involved in a lot of products for circuit protection and power converters for things like renewable energy. They're involved in EV charging. They have previously ordered our SymCool power module, and they have now ordered our SymCool IQ, which basically takes a multi-die module with the semiconductor devices in it and adds a localized controller to tell it what to do. And that really opens up some new applications that really want to have localized control of the semiconductor devices.
And Dan, the key to this also is the fact that they're going to take these units and use them in a lot of different things, and that will give you more data in order to sort of move the product and go approach other customers with as well.
It does. You know, when you get new technology, there's a lot of companies that are very interested in what you're doing. They're interested in exploring your technology. But the bigger the company, the less likely they are to want to go first. They always want to have somebody else go first. So it's great to have a company that's taking that first step, that's comfortable with the technology. They've worked with us enough to be really comfortable that our data sheets are an accurate representation of the product, and it gives them the opportunity to be a first mover in bringing out a differentiated product of their own that incorporates our technology.
And lastly, what does an announcement like this do for the company as you finish off, the rest of December and into 2025? This is a great launching pad, I would think, for 2025.
It is. You know, as we look at 2025, we want to get through this design win process so that we can start to ramp our revenue and sales of products. You know, we put out the fact that selling our SymCool IQ, getting those first sales of it, was one of our key milestones for 2024. So it really helps build the platform for what we plan to accomplish in 2025 as we start to bring more and more customers in and use the diversity of products that we're starting to offer.
Well, Dan, congratulations on this exciting news, and I really appreciate your time. Thanks very much.
No, thanks for having me.
All right, there's Dan Brdar. He's the CEO of Ideal Power.